Here I've got BUSH Spira B5 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now you have to locate and open language and input, and then click on language. And here you can come along with the whole list of languages and just pick the one that you would like to apply. So just pick your native or some other language that you would like to learn. And for example, let me have some more practice in Filipino. Just click on it. And as you can see, it has been applied and the whole device now is in Filipino. Here it is, and then if you would like to go back to English or pick some other language, just go to language and input one more time, select language, and then pick the one that you would like to have. So I will choose English US. And that's it. As you can see, now we are back and in normal mode. Here it is. Like, everything is back in English. So this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily change language in your BUSH. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.